So today date is 8th October. So this is the first trade that we did today, which has given a profit of 2500, around 2445. So after this trade we did several trades. We are going to see about the learnings from this trade. I also made some loss and I finally recovered from the loss using a certain strategy. We will discuss about that strategy. So before going to see about the how I recovered, how I did the firefighting and recovered the losses. If you want to open a Demat account, you can use the link in the description of this video and sign up for a Demat account and get all the courses that are featured in our website. So we have several option strategies. If you don't know about options trading, this will help you right from even if you don't know about share market, this will help you to know about from basic to advanced. Now let's quickly see about the kind of strategy that you use to come out from loss and how I made a profit as well. So if you see, this was the first trade, TCS October 2800 call, which I sold it basically. TCS has came down drastically. I sold at 110. You can see currently last traded price is 88. 110 I sold. 110 I sold and I bought back at 101. Currently if you see 88, if I waited I would have made more money, but that really doesn't matter. We don't know where it goes. So the main strategy after that, what I did is I sold 12,200 call, considering the Nifty has already peaked up more than 1% in the morning gap up, and I expected a small correction around 40 to 50 point, but that didn't turn very well. But still I will let you know how we can convert that loss position into profit position. So we'll first see the graph, then we'll decide. So if you see in last 1 2 3 4 before 4 days, if you see, Nifty actually opened gap up and it suddenly corrected actually. So I thought this gap up will happen in the morning around 11:30, around this time 11:30 sometime. So because of that, what I did is I short sold 11,200 call, but Nifty was strongly in the range, and it gave me a loss of around 1,400, nearly 600 it was loss actually. Then immediately what you should have done is, in order to convert this loss position into profit, you could have sold 12,250, double the or triple the triple the amount of quantity, triple the amount of lot, in order to offset this loss actually. So immediately I bought 12,250 Nifty, two lots you can see here. I bought 600 quantity here. That is 4 lots actually. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lots actually I bought. One lot is 75. Here I sold 300 quantity. I bought 600 quantity immediately after the next strike. So whenever it crosses a certain range, let us say it was today the resistance was at 11,800 and 880 in that range. So it actually, I thought it will come down after touching the resistance. Now it is at 11,834, but it came little later. But by end of the day, it didn't happen in the morning. If it have happened, I would have made profit. But nevertheless, we could have converted that. If it still went up, we could have converted that loss into profit by taking double or triple. Whenever there's a breakout happens, it will immediately go 30 to 40 points sometimes. So with that intention, we can do that. So it's very simple. Just note down, when you are selling something, if it goes opposite or some breakout happens, you can buy double or triple the quantity and offset your loss. Similarly, HDFC also gave a loss of 2000, around 2500 for me. You can see this thing. I have converted that into, see, 1100 quantity I sold at 32 and I bought back at 34, which gave me a loss of 2500. So I took a counter position with a quantity of 2200, you can see here, and I converted that loss into, it actually advanced this loss and gave me extra 1,000 rupees profit. That is how. So short straddle, don't use short straddle when there is when the implied volatility is not that high. So you need to know that actually. So the main learning from this video is, whenever you are selling something, try to buy back, try to buy double or triple the lot of immediately the next strike price to convert that into profit. So suppose if you you might ask, so what if it happens, if it came down again? So you can see the options define Opstra, and you can see the profit and loss calculation before taking the trade itself, what would have happened. Let us see. So options, strategy builder, first you can see it's 15th October, and options, that's the thing that we are going to see. First I'm going to it was 11,880. So sorry, I sold 12,200 call, not sold, but sold. So here it is. So this is the problem. Now immediately if it goes opposite, what you should have done is 12,250. You are going to buy 2 or 3 lots. So you see the positions, let us see. So if you have sold 2 lots, let us say, instead of 3, just sell 2 lots. So you can see the maximum profit minus 461, even if it goes down, but on the upside there is endless profit. So this is how it is. The loss will be limited to 200, 300. It actually increases if it goes very far, but it's at a point it will not go more than 461. So it was starting from 350, 150, but finally it stagnates at 406. So this is the maximum loss. So this is how you can do it, selling 1 lot, and if it goes opposite, you need to buy 2 lots. So this is the learning that I hope you got a clear idea. So you can use this strategy whenever you short sell something and unexpectedly it goes up, immediately next strike 2 lots. Thank you. Bye bye. Let me know if you have any questions.